Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to give everyone an update on my experiences with the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion for the last 48 hours. Yes, it's been 48 hours. I've been using it. There's some things I like and dislike. We'll discuss it in the upcoming video. But before I get that video going, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I just want to have a discussion about the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. I've been using it for the last 48 hours as my main phone. You can call it daily driver if you want to, but you know, we have different phones. I also use the Z Fold 4 and the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but this one I have been really putting to the test, using it since I got it, and I just want to have a good discussion, let y'all know how I feel about it, some things I like and dislike about it. So let's get into it. The first thing is the build and the color. This color is fire. I love it. I love how the back is textured, like a 3D feel to it. This magenta color, whatever you want to call it, red. I call it red because that thing it's just beautiful. Overall build too, which how the edge on both sides comes to it. So the build quality is there, great. Now the display is also a beautiful thing. It is bright too. It does get bright during the day. I tested that out today in the Texas sun. Is it the brightest phone that I have? No, but I didn't have any problems using it. I was doing some filming with it and didn't really have any issues, with the display, with not being able to see what I was trying to film in the middle of the day in Texas. So the display is great. Watching YouTube videos is also a easy thing to do. The colors are really good on here. I don't have nothing. Look. It's a beautiful display. The speakers on here sound, really good too. Not bad. Let's test that out. We can test out the display and the speakers at the same time. Some non-copyrighted music. It does have dual speakers, so not bad at all. But let's move on. I'm going to show another video too. Let me pull up one really quick. All right, so I pulled up one of my favorite YouTubers out there too. Simply Device, Mr. Mike is on here. I will show off his video. You can see him vlogging and talking. But if you haven't subscribed to that man's channel yet, make sure you do so. He is at 924 subscribers, y'all. Let's get him to 1,000. Man, wouldn't it be nice if we could get him to 1,000 before the new year? But let's get him to 1,000 really quick. Go watch his Monday morning vlog. But we can check out the speakers on here and then also how good the display looks.
I am kind of driving around a little bit, but I'm going to eventually wind up my 7-Eleven. My local 7-Eleven to go get me some coffee.
Sounds great. Looks great on this phone.
I feel like having some 7-Eleven.
Those houses look pretty cool too. They're really close together though. But it looks like an older, older houses. They probably built really good.
Business of tech, phone tech. What was your phone tech? Did you get any phone?
So that was just a little short video from Simply Your Device, Mr. Mike. Go check out his channel, like I said. Answer his questions on that video. Go show the man some love. He's always watching my videos, especially on Motorola phones, so go check out his channel. So that display, the 6.5-inch display, is a beautiful thing, y'all. And the speakers sound really good. Battery life is just okay. When you're used to Motorola phones with 5,000 milliamp hour batteries, you expect, a day and a half. Right now, I'm getting a day. I can get through a day without charging it, and it's not too bad. It's hard to test out the battery. I know it's still learning me too. It's only been 48 hours, but also doing camera tests really strains the battery. So it's hard to, gauge that right now. Do I think it will get better? Yes, I really do believe that the battery life will improve, and only time will tell that. I will stay tuned to the channel. I will probably update y'all in a week or so or a few days from now and let y'all know about the battery life. The overall experience with the phone, as far as the moto gestures, the overall experience with the software, it is running Android 12, so you should be getting Android 13 on here pretty soon, and you should get like 3 years of OS updates with like 5 years of security patches on here, so that shouldn't be a problem. Now, it does not have any type of water resistance, so if you need water resistance, then this phone may not be for you. No wireless charging. I don't know why it doesn't have wireless charging. Moto, if you watch this video, let me know in the comments why it doesn't have wireless charging. Now, the SnapDragon 888 Plus processor is great. Runs good, hasn't overheated. So the overall experience of the phone has been good. Making phone calls, speaker calls, not a problem either. So the battery life, and then also not having wireless charging is kind of a bummer. But the battery life, like I said, I think is going to get better. Now, I wasn't too happy with the cameras. In the unboxing, I said that this can only shoot 4K at 30 and 1080p at 30, which is totally wrong. I read in the website, totally wrong too. It has 1080p at 1630, but they have a mistake in there, or they don't even know about their phones either. I don't know. Maybe I need to reach out to Moto. This phone can actually shoot 8K video, which I will drop an 8K video really soon, but there it is, 8K. But you can also do 4K at 60 on the rear camera. So, and that is not on their website. It says 4K at 30. So you can shoot 8K, you can shoot 4K at 1630, and then 1080p at 1630. On the front camera, it's only 4K at 30 or 1080p at 30. You definitely don't have any 60 frames per second on the front camera, which is okay. 4K at 30, still can vlog with it. The photos probably will look good in the video too. Stay tuned, I will be doing more of a camera test. I will be putting it against my Pixel 7, which is downstairs, because I have been shooting some videos with both of these phones already. So stay tuned to that. That is coming really soon. I do believe the cameras probably will be the weakest point on this phone, but time will tell. All I can do is update the phone, test it out, and try it out. But I think overall the cameras may be the weak point. I can't say that yet because I really haven't even looked at the videos yet. But I might come out with the 8K video, today or tomorrow really soon too, just so that we can have that video sample of the 8K goodness on this phone. All right, so I already had someone mention the price to me, and I can never tell someone what they can spend their own money on. What do you believe is a great value? I do believe that Motorola always prices their phones about $100 to $50 too much. Can you imagine if this phone was $549 and the red one was $549 without the earbuds? That would be a great price for what you get with this phone. I think they just do it just a little bit too much. Again, if you're a Motorola fan, if you value $599 and you think that's a great price, then that's a great price. I can't tell you how to spend your money. I can only make these videos, have y'all make your own decision on it, do your homework. Is it worth the money that you're gonna spend on it? But I don't wanna make the video too long. I always talk a lot. If y'all want any other type of videos, let me know in the comments. I'm working on a comparison. I'm doing the camera test, but y'all let me know what other videos you wanna see. Overall, I'm enjoying the phone. The first 48 hours has been really good, and I don't expect anything different. But if anything changes, I will give y'all another update really soon. Stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, so that way you know when I'm dropping the latest video on this Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.